listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay.
Real nice design here. It's a 3.8. About to have a lot of work done to it when it gets warmer out here. One thing I got to remedy though is a little project. Here's the Airbox, and it's considered cold air intake because there's the throttle body and the MAF sensor and all that, right? Here's a snorkel tube, rubber, and then here's the Airbox right up along the fender. And then it's got a tube that comes out of the Airbox under the relay box, under the windshield washer reservoir, and behind the headlight. And it's got a piece of screen in it, so there's no rodents living in here. Anyway, so horrible design we got going here. Here's your cold air box. Here's the two, I'd say about 1 inch deep recessed holes that the two screws go in to hold the lid on, right? Well, when I first bought this car, it was really neglected and abused, and I don't know. But I'm the third owner. This bolt right here was broken, okay, because they tried to get it off. This bolt was missing, and this bar was in the trunk. So I gotta clean it up. It's gonna be polished steel when I'm done with it. But I had to drill out this, put a new bolt. It's got a Teflon washer under there. That's a pivot. If you look in the manual, this is not meant to be not meant to be taken off unless you really want to, you know. But you don't even touch this bolt. You take this bolt, it's got a J nut underneath, and you just swing this up out of the way if you want to get to the relay box or change the air filter. But the horrible thing, the most horrible, you look where the edge of the fender is. See, here's the wheel outside of the car. Here's this big lip where the hood level's at. Look at these two holes. You got like 1 inch deep holes where, you know, and when I first got this one was broken and missing. This one was so rusted, it took forever to get it out, and the air filter was the original one, you know. So it's like, yeah, I'm the third. If you know, you read the little thing that I put on my channel, I'm the third owner of this car. A man bought it new in Rancho Cucamonga, California, when he retired, and he drove it until he passed away, and it went to the daughter, who drove it a little while, didn't keep it up or whatever, started to have problems that all these Reattas do. And you know, if you look up what a Buick Reatta was, it's a lot like an well, it's hand built. No machines built these cars. I mean, that's all plastic. It's a bunch of plastic, a bunch of Corvette parts. It was meant to be GM's Halo car. So yeah, I gotta take this lid off, and I'm gonna get the it's like a plastic rosette knob, they call it, and it'll only be about maybe ½ an inch high, but oh, we got the, I tell you, balanced like that. Got the micrometer, or not a micrometer, calipers. Sorry. These weren't that expensive on Amazon. They're I think it's less than. Here's the name. It's less than. So you measure. $35, yeah. So it's got to be 35 added to the what's already there. All right. When you want to do the air filter, you just loosen it right here, and they're out. Not plain machine screws buried way down in there. I mean, I got to take the airbox out. I got to put a new riv nut in the bottom. The another upcoming project is when I redo the fuel system. I got tank and pump and all that. I'm relocating the fuel line where the filter is. It's going to be mounted to the airbox right here. I already bought the bracket and everything, and it's a lot easier to change. Right now it's underneath the car, you know. So, alrighty, bye bye.
Hasta la vista.